In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Simulink file in MATLAB Online. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to go to Simulink inside MATLAB Online over here, and then from here, you want to click on Open in the top left. This will open up your MATLAB drive. However, if you've never uploaded anything to it, it's going to be empty. So let me show you how to actually upload it to MATLAB drive and then open it inside here, inside MATLAB Online. So I'm going to go to this link, which is drive.mathworks.com, which will open up your MATLAB drive. And when you're in here, you want to go to the upload button up top and click on files or folder if you wanna. Click on choose files and then just select your file you'd actually like to basically open up in the online version of MATLAB. So I'm going to select this Simulink model over here, which I have saved. I'm going to click on open and then I'm going to click on upload. Now this will upload my file into here into my MATLAB drive, and now we can go ahead and basically open this Simulink file in MATLAB Online. So go back to the MATLAB Online, and from here again open up Simulink, go to open top left, and as you can see, there we go, our file is now in here ready to be opened. If I click on it and click on open, it's going to open it in here within a few seconds. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.